Hi improvers, here is a cha-cha sway. Let's just do the breakdown of the steps and then we'll do it with a count. So we're going to start with open cha-cha to the side. So open left, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot quarter turn, and you're going to do a quick samba cross. Samba cross. We're going to continue with an open sway, 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 two-step walk, shuffle right forward, rock forward left, half turn shuffle, another quarter turn flick, cross shuffle, sway to the left, sail your back, hold forward, lock forward that left again, and we finish with a quarter turn step with the right. And the dance starts all over again. So let's do this wall. So open, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot right, samba, and step hips, 1 and 2 and 3, two-step walk, shuffle right forward, rock left, half turn, shuffle, another quarter turn touch, flick with the right, cross shuffle right, sway the hips, sail your back, hold lock with the left, locked, and now we step quarter and start all over again. Here comes with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7, 8. Open 2, 3, shuffle. 5, pivot to the side, samba cross and hold. Step, sway, sway, sway. 2 steps, shuffle forward, right and right. Rock half turn, shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Touch, flick, turn, cross, shuffle, and sway. Sail your back and hold and lock and turn. All right, well, have fun, and then you know what to do. Put the music after, repeat, 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 and you'll be just fine. Yay, thank you.